Welcome back to Outdoor Madness and the Route 66 Cruisin' Reunion Car Show, Part 2 from Ontario, California.
We're going hopping today, but things are popping. We're gonna WA, we're gonna drop it on all the music they play on the bandstand. We're going swinging, we're gonna swing in the crowd, and we'll be clinging and floating high as a cloud. The phones are ringing, my mom and dad are so proud. I'm on bandstand, and I'm jumping. Hey, I may even show up my handstand because I'm on the American Bandstand. When we dance real slow, I'll show all the girls in the grandstand. What a swinger I am on the American Bandstand. We're going hopping today, but things are popping. Feel the WA, we're going dropping on all the music they play on the bandstand. What do you know? Here in the show, ready to go. What a pro. Hey, I'm making my mark. See, this joint is jumping. It made such a fuss just to see us arrive. Hey, Mr. Dick Clark, what a place you've got here. Swell spot, the music's high here. If it's in the east, give it at least a 75.
Hi, Bobby Lewis. I believe I was 18 years old. Got my first car. It was a 1973 Nova hatchback. All right.
73 Nova. No, so you were in high school, senior?
Yes, senior high school.
That's like me.
Senior high school, 73 Nova hatchback.
All right. Good job. Let's go down the line here. Same question.
My name is Wayne Holloway, and my first car was a 61 Thunderbird.
Thunderbird.
I was 14.
Wait a minute.
I paid $90 for it.
Oh, I was gonna say your mama bought you that car at 14.
And now I got me a 62.
62, huh?
Yeah.
All right, way to go. Let's go down the line here.
Ron Jackson,
Ron Jackson,
1966 Chevrolet Impala.
Chevrolet. Are you still a Chevy man?
Yes, I am.
All right. Good job. We're gonna keep rolling down here, guys. Next.
Yeah, my name is Mo Ariel. I was 13. I built my first motor at 13, the race car.
You built your motor.
First car was a 53 Bel Air.
Wow.
And my car I got now is this one. So I've been a Chevy man all my life.
All right, way to go, Mo. Now, this is what I want to know. How did you know how to build a motor at 13?
Well, the guy that I used to race with, he was an older guy that stayed across the alley from me. And he used to see me sitting on the fence, watching him in his garage working on his 41 wheeler. So when he did that, then I said, you know, he saw me, so he come around and asked my mom if it was okay for me to come over and let him teach me how to work on cars.
Man, that's
so
awesome.
When I built my first motor and put it in the 53 Chevy, then he had to race it at the track because I was too young to even drive it.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, do you still work on motors today?
Built that.
All right. Way to go. Good job. Let's move down the line here. Same question.
Steve Carr, my first car was a 56 Chevy. It was sitting in the front yard, something my dad just put to the side. I got it back on the road. If you wanted to ride to school, you put your hand on the trunk.
All right.
There's a stick shift, you push it and you got it going. If you're fast enough, you got to ride.
Now, how old were you when you got that?
16.
16 years old.
Yeah.
All right, good job. That's Slick Nick. We passing him up. Let's go right over here.
Yeah, hey, I'm Jack Potter. My first car was a 57 Ford Fairlane. I was 14 years old. Bust tables at a restaurant to get the money to buy it.
Now that's how you do it. Hard work pays off, right?
Yes, it does.
All right.
Nobody ever gave me a car.
There you go.
Go for them all.
That's it. Listen up, you youngsters.
That's right.
Your mama and daddy ain't gonna give you nothing.
No, you want a car, you go earn the car.
That's it.
Then you'll appreciate it. They give it to you, you don't care.
That's right.
You earn it, you take care of it.
All right, good job.
Okay, we're going to do the thing from Starsky and Hutch. But first, this!
Gran Torino from Starsky and Hutch. I know you remember that show with Huggy Bear. Look, you even got the siren right there. Flashing light up there. Starsky and Hutch. Is Huggy Bear in there, man? Gran Torino, baby.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, my name's Dan. First car I ever had was a 1947 Plymouth. Bought it for $25.
$25. Now, how old when you got that car?
15 and a half.
15 and a half?
Yep.
And how much did you pay for it?
I paid $75.
$75. You can't buy a car for $75 now, not unless it's a Matchbox. You know what I mean? All right. Now, you do have a Plymouth over here, right?
I have a Dodge.
Or a Dodge. All right. Now, let's walk over here and let's take a look at it. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 1921 Dodge.
Okay, 1921 Dodge?
Dodge Brothers.
Okay.
When it was still Brothers.
Wow. All right, you guys, take a look at this. Now, I'm gonna back up so you can get a full look at this. Now, this is a car.
Whole body, everything on top is all original. It's, the headlights, everything is 1921. The steering wheel was made in 1919. We sold the car in 1921. That's the original steering column. Steering wheel, it's called a Fat Man wheel. For the guys with the bellies, they get in, and then it slides back.
Oh man, do that again. Now that is slick. You don't see them like that anymore. That is slick. Now, who did this restoration? Did you do this?
Me and a buddy.
Oh, nice. Now, how long did it take you?
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Man, I'm telling you, this is sweet.
The headlights are, the glass in them is the original glass.
Original glass. Let me take a look at this. So this is what the glass used to look like back in the day, you guys.
Right, they were white, and then the sun turned them purple.
Wow.
In the sand.
Nice. So nice. Now I know you get a lot of looks with this, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Now, is this a daily drive or just?
Oh yeah, we take it out and go get hamburgers, we get ice cream.
Nice.
We just run around with it.
Nice. Tell me your name again.
Dan.
Dan, thanks a lot for being on the show.
You
Appreciate
bet.
it, Dan.
Hey, my pleasure.
Yes. Drew Carriage, Automotive Paint and Supplies, right here.
Wow.
Man, this is nice.
These are nice and big. Great for families. Great for softballs too.
Man, this is slick. Woo, look at the wood, man. Yes. I'm liking this. Dakine, Hawaii. Maui Jim.
get the high ski on the thing.
And you missed. Well, you guys, that's it for the Route 66 car show. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. And remember, turn off the TV. Get your nappy head kids outside. We'll see you next time on Outdoor Madness.
Oh my God.